The Oppo A1K has a 6.1-inch HD Plus display protected with Corning's Gorilla Glass. It has an 8-megapixel camera at the back which boasts of features such as AI Face Beauty, gender detection, AR sticker, and more. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 5-megapixel camera. For security, it supports Face Unlock from the front-facing camera. The Oppo A1K runs on ColorOS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the MediaTek MT6762R octa-core processor. The smartphone has 2GB RAM and comes with 32GB built-in storage, expandable up to 256GB via a microSD card. The smartphone is available in black and red color options. The A1K is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The smartphone is powered by a 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery. The box includes the handset, power adapter, USB cable, quick starter guide, case, SIM tray ejector, and a pre-applied screen protector. The A1K comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.